All right, so on the back of this wrench, you've got this little screw. If I go counterclockwise, it opens this. If I go clockwise, it tightens it down. So I can grab that bolt, then I can go outside and I can screw it. So I'm going to put it right about there. That's about right where I need it. Okay. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to lock this down on that nut. I got to get it a little bit tighter. Let's see. I'm going to lock this down like this. Now that's going to sit there. And then I'm going to go outside and that'll keep that nut from turning, and I can use my screwdriver to tighten this down really nicely. And that's going to make it work better. All right, let's go and do that right now. This is basically a clamp wrench. It has a dual function to it. It works like a clamp, number one, because you can put pressure on it and squeeze onto the nut. And number two, it works just like a wrench. So that's the beauty of it. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to use stuff and do stuff and stuff like that. Peace out.